Okay guys, should be done soon. Timer's all. This one I took out already. Pretty good. There we go. Toaster oven. Well, let's see how she looks. That's why I'm like so excited about this stuff. I know if you're a guy and you're into cars and engines and that. It's not like it's just water. It's just hot. That's why I'm picking it up with pliers. But look at that. Now I'm going to take my compressor and blow out all these. Make sure, but I mean, look at that. Just look at it. And cool. Okay, that looks pretty clean versus the junk that was coming out of it. Some more room. Okay, let's see what else I put in there. It was the bowl. It's clean, but so it's definitely clean. Yeah. Heck of a lot cleaner than before. That was 2 shots of 30 minutes each, so about an hour in total. So decently clean. I'll give it maybe just a rub with a rag. I think that's just, no, that's whatever. That's pretty clean compared to how it was before. If you guys watch the first video, you'll see that it's just a lot of garbage. Let's pull this out. See how that looks. This I just popped in like literally 5 minutes ago, so this was pretty rusty, and you could tell it was already starting to clean it. It's just a gas cap. The jets definitely are cleaner. If you look in the first video, it's they're pretty bad. They're like, I think I'll still blow that out. At least all the junk is loose. Here's the main jet. Let's see if we can kind of see through it. I'll blow that out too with the compressor. They definitely look cleaner. Everything looks better. Yeah, so just blow it out now. I got a little bit of rust in his tank. This kid, again, this is just a kid's quad, and you can tell, you can't look in there, but it's quite a bit of rust inside this tank, so I'm gonna plop it in here. They say don't do it in the cage because I think it has to sit on those rubber wheels for the vibration. So I'm gonna put some rubber pieces inside here so that it's sitting on the rubber, not on metal. So unless this can fit in here, but I don't think it will. Oh, might. Actually, might be able to make that work. So anyways, you can clean anything. Like, how the heck do you clean a steel tank that's got surface rust in it, right? It's a perfect way to clean it. So yeah, gonna clean that. I'm gonna finish putting this back together, throw it all together, put some fresh gas in it, and we should be seeing a happy kid. He'll be happy his quad is working. So that's it, guys. Need to clean some carbs. I mean, a clean carb means a really, if your quad is not running or starting or idling or just running rough in general, try doing this, getting it all cleaned up. So that's it, guys. I got nothing else. Cheers.